Hello friends, today we are going to learn a practical of pharmaceutical analysis 1 to perform conductometric titration of strong acid against strong base. Principle: when strong acid HCl titrated with strong base, that is sodium hydroxide, is shows following neutralization reaction. That means HCl whenever reacted with sodium hydroxide, it gives NaCl, salt plus water. Before sodium hydroxide is added, the conductance is high due to the presence of highly mobile hydrogen ions. When the sodium hydroxide is added to HCl, the highly mobile H plus ion is replaced by less mobile Na plus ion. This will result in the decrease of conductivity rapidly due to the replacement of H plus ions by the added cation, that is Na plus, as H plus ions reacts with OH minus ions to form a dissociated water. This decrease in the conductance continues till the equivalence point. At the equivalence point, the solution contains only Na plus and Cl minus will have minimum conductivity. After the equivalence point, if more sodium hydroxide is added, the conductance increases due to the large conductivity of OH minus ions, because OH minus ions have more mobility as compared to Na plus ion. Thus, if the titration is carried out at constant temperature and the conductivity is plotted against the volume of sodium hydroxide added, the graph is shown in the next figure. This is the graph. On the x-axis, volume of sodium hydroxide added is taken, and on the y-axis, the conductance is given. Then requirements: apparatus, conductivity meter, conductivity cell, beaker, burette, measuring cylinder, and volumetric flask. And chemicals are hydrochloric acid, sodium hydroxide, and distilled water. Here is the diagram of conductometer and conductivity cell. First of all, we have to prepare 0.1 normal NaOH solution and 0.1 normal HCl solution. This is the conductometer and this is the conductivity cell. First of all, switch on the button and then start the conductometer. Then press calibration knob button and conductance should be shown, that is 1, and we have to set the cell constant, that is 1. The conductivity cell is already connected to conductometer, and here is the cell constant, that is 1. Then fill the burette with sodium hydroxide solution, that is 0.1 molar. Take 25 ml of 0.1 molar hydrochloric acid into the beaker. Then dip the conductivity cell into the hydrochloric acid. And measure the conductance on conductometer, that is 36. Here in the beaker only the 25 ml of dilute HCl solution. Then add 1 ml of NaOH solution from the burette. After mixing the 1 ml NaOH into the solution of 0.1 normal HCl solution, measure the conductance, that is 34.5. That means the conductance is decreases after addition of 1 ml NaOH solution. Then again add 1 ml NaOH solution and see the change in conductance, that is it is again decreases to 33.1. Then again add 1 ml of NaOH solution and see the conductance. The conductance is decreases by the addition of sodium hydroxide. We have to add 1 ml continuously into the beaker, and we have to check the conductance. And this conductance is decreases up to the equivalence point. The conductance is decreases till the all HCl solution is neutralized by sodium hydroxide solution. Here we can see the decrease in the conductance after addition of sodium hydroxide. Due to the decrease in the concentration of H plus ion in the solution of HCl by the NaOH, the conductance is decreases. Here the conductance is 10.3. Then 8.7. 7.5. 6.8. After neutralization, the conductance increases due to the increase in the concentration of OH minus ion. Here we can see the conductance is increases from the 6.3 to 7. Then again conductance is increases, that is 8. Here conductance is goes on increasing because of after neutralization the concentration of OH minus increases into the solution, therefore concentration increases. We have to add continuously the solution of sodium hydroxide and from the conductometer we can determine the conductance. Here the conductance slowly increases after the addition of NaOH. From this, we can conclude that before the addition of NaOH, the conductance is higher. After the addition of NaOH solution, the conductance is decreases due to lowering the concentration of H plus ion, and after neutralization, again conductance increases. The solution, due to the increase in the concentration of OH minus ion, again graph increases. Here see the observation table, that is volume of NaOH added in ml and conductance which is observed after addition of 1 ml NaOH into the HCl, the conductance is 36. Then after addition of 2 ml, the conductance is lowering, that is 34.5. From the observation table we can see as the volume of NaOH increases, the conductance decreases, and this conductance decreases up to the equivalence point. After the equivalence point, after addition of NaOH, the OH minus ion concentration into the solution increases. Therefore, the graph also, or the conductance also increases after the equivalence point. We can see in the right diagram, that is on the x-axis conductance is given and on y-axis the volume of NaOH is given. First, the conductance is greater and then it decreases up to the equivalence point, and again it increases after the equivalence point. Then determination of strength of sodium hydroxide, that is N1V1 is equal to N2V2, where N1 is the normality of HCl, V1 is volume of HCl taken, N2 is normality of NaOH, and V2 is volume of NaOH added, that is burette reading. From this formula we can determine the strength of sodium hydroxide. Thank you.